Today on Tanaka Homestead, we are going to talk about a must-have flower in your garden. Let me tell you all the reasons why the marigold is important. First of all, it helps to attract good insects, and it also helps to control other bad insects in the garden, so that's a good thing. Helps to control weeds when it's planted in the right location. Attracts pollinators. You know, it has a very strong scent to it. I can actually smell all of them right now. To me, it's almost like a sweet scent. It's been described as pungent, but it definitely will attract insects. And for some pests, it will deter them, and other pests are so inclined to be around them that they won't affect the other plants in your garden. The marigolds also help to reduce disease by breaking up plant groupings. So, for example, if you have a whole bunch of tomatoes planted in one area, you know, and those tomatoes get a disease, it's more likely to affect the entire crop. But if you have marigolds in there breaking it up, if there is a diseased area, it's not going to flow through to all the other plants as easy. When they die, so remember, these will die, and you can actually kind of mix it into the soil. So when these plants die back, mix it into the soil, and that will actually help to kill certain pests below the soil, such as nematodes. So the two varieties I got is the French marigold and the African marigold. So let me tell you about these plants. The French marigold is actually the dwarf variety. So if you look on the specification sheet, it's only going to get about 8 to 12 inches high, which is different from the African marigold, and about a 6 to 8 inch wide spread. Needs to be watered 2 times a week, and these plants will actually flower until the first frost. Here's my African marigold, and like I said, this is not a dwarf variety, so you notice it's going to grow much taller, and you want to take this into consideration when you're planting. 18 to 20 inches high with a 10 to 12 inch wide spread. Now I'm going to go ahead and start planting my marigolds in the garden. There's a lot of debate regarding companion planting. For example, a lot of people feel it's okay to plant marigolds right amongst the beans and peas, but other people feel like no, it attracts certain insects that can be problematic. I've never really had an issue. No, I am going to plant these near my beans, but they're not going to be in the same raised bed. I'm also going to put them near my eggplant, and I'm going to strategically place them in pots around the garden, especially my tomato plants. Let's get planting. Much for watching our channel. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.